The watch market has grown tremendously in recent years, and that is a reality. And among this growth, there are some watches that have become extremely recognizable and desired by people. One such watch is the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. But to be honest and completely objective, very few people can afford to spend $35,000 on a watch. But the aspiration for a watch like the one I have here isn't so crazy. Let me introduce you to the Maurice Lacroix Aikon. It's no secret that this watch has a vibe reminiscent of the Royal Oak, and I think it's been well executed. It's not like those ridiculous homages that copy and rip off the entire design of a popular watch, trying to sell it to you as if it was legal, because it's not. In this case, the inspiration has been achieved quite well. I mean, if you ask the brand, they will probably tell you that there is no inspiration anywhere, but it would be foolish to ignore the resemblance. Maurice Lacroix is a brand that has been around for many years and consistently delivers quality in its watches. Just take a look at this one I'm showing you. If you're looking for something similar to a Royal Oak with quality, a recognizable design, and a backstory, but you don't want something that's literally a copy, I think this Aikon is an excellent option. Because if you want a quality watch but don't have $35,000 to spend, it's much easier to save up $3,000 or $4,000, which is roughly what this watch costs. Generally, it comes with a steel bracelet and a rubber strap, a waffle finish dial similar to the Royal Oak, a high quality automatic movement, reliable and durable, easy to service, and let's be honest, the watch looks great with its own unique design. Plus, I believe it's from a brand that doesn't get much attention but offers an impressive level of quality. The one that I have here is a limited edition, all in blue, K-style strap, and it has a very comfortable and acceptable size. Typically, watches with integrated bracelets tend to look much larger, but this one has the perfect size. If you're just starting your collection and refining your tastes while wanting to try a design similar to the Royal Oak, I think this Maurice Lacroix is an excellent choice without having to spend a fortune. But what do you think?